Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on role view edit log permissions settings on your account. On Discord isn't quick. First click here, now click settings, now click roles, and now click here, now click permissions. Here as you see you will find view audit log, click on it and click save, and it should be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.